If you've ever tried to open a HEIC file in Photoshop and found that it just won't work, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open HEIC files in Photoshop using two simple methods: the native codec route on Windows and a free online conversion route if you don't want to pay for anything. This is perfect for anyone editing iPhone photos, working with HEIC images from Apple devices, or just trying to get a file into Photoshop fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the native codec route. This is the best option if you want Photoshop and Windows to support HEIC files directly. If you choose this method, your computer will be able to recognize HEIC images like normal photos, which makes the whole process much easier in the future. To start, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, typing Microsoft Store, and launching the app from the search results. Once the Microsoft Store is open, search for HEIF image extensions. This extension is published by Microsoft and is completely free. When you find it, click Get or Install and let Windows add it to your system. This is the part that helps your computer understand HEIC image files. Next, you also need the HEVC video extensions. Search for the official HEVC video extensions published by Microsoft Corporation. This one is usually a small paid add-on, typically around 99 cents. Click the Buy or Install button, complete the purchase if required, and link it to your Microsoft account. This step is important because HEIC files rely on these codecs to open properly on Windows. After both extensions are installed, restart your PC. Don't skip this part because Windows needs to register the new decoding codecs before Photoshop can use them correctly. Once your computer turns back on, Photoshop should be able to detect HEIC files much more easily. Now open Photoshop, click File, then Open, and browse to your HEIC image. Select the file, and it should load directly onto your canvas just like a JPEG or PNG. If everything is installed properly, you'll be able to edit the photo without any extra conversion steps. Now, if you don't want to pay for the extension, or you just want a faster workaround, here's the free online route using FreeConvert. This is a great option if you only need to open a few files and want to convert them into a standard format before bringing them into Photoshop. Open your web browser and go to the FreeConvert HEIC to JPEG converter page. Once the page loads, click the blue Choose Files button. You can locate your HEIC photo on your computer, or even easier, just drag and drop the file straight into the upload window from File Explorer. After your file uploads, look for the Output drop-down menu. Make sure it is set to JPEG, or PNG if you prefer that format. JPEG is usually the best choice if you want a smaller file and easy Photoshop compatibility. Then click the blue Convert button to begin processing the image on FreeConvert's secure servers. Give it a few moments while the file converts. Once the status shows done, click the green Download JPEG button to save the new file to your computer. Now you can open that downloaded JPEG directly in Photoshop with no issue at all. So to quickly recap, if you want the most seamless setup, install the Windows HEIF and HEVC extensions and open the file natively in Photoshop. If you want a free workaround, use FreeConvert to turn the HEIC file into JPEG first, then edit it in Photoshop. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop and file format tutorials, and comment below if you want more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.